Hello everyone, welcome back to A Square Solutions. I'm Anis. In episode 1, we built our website founding using WordPress and Elementor. In the second video, episode 2, we talked about real costs and how money actually flows online. Today, in this video, we enter the real battlefield because this episode answers the question that hurts the most. Why does Google ignore my website? Pages are not indexing, traffic is stuck at zero, AdSense is not approving. So, is that sounds familiar? You are in the right place. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you fancy. This one is deep. So, let's begin. Let me start with the biggest enemy of beginners, the thin content. Think of it like this: you walk into a restaurant, menu looks posh, food arrives, two spoons of rice and one lonely paneer cube. You would say, bro, is this a tasting menu or a joke? That's thin content. Online, thin contents look like 300 or 400 words blog. AI copy paste, no example, no structure, no interlink, no real experience. Google sees this and goes, cheers next. Quality content is like a full of thali. A clear topic, deep explanation, real world examples, images, internal links, external references. So, remember this line in this like shortcuts create short lives in SEO. All right. So, Google does not hate beginners. It checks, does this page solve the problem fully? Does this site have related content? Is there experience behind the words? If your blog is random, one post today, one next month, Google does not trust. But if you build clusters, AI with AI, web development with web development, Google starts listening. That's why structure matters. That's allow why on this channel we run multiple playlists like digital marketing and AI tutorials, science frontiers, history and culture, same like discipline, knowledge compounds. Now let's open Google Search Console. This is Google talking directly to you. Not guessing, not theory, real data. Like impression mean your page appeared on someone's screen. They did not click, they did visit you. They just saw you. They did not visit, they just saw you. An impression. So think of impression of people walking past your shop. They noticed your signboard, that's progress. Low impression means like Google does not trust you yet. High impression but low clicks, then your shop window is boring. Clicks, someone walked in, clicks are gold. Someone saw you result and said, yeah, that looks useful, that's intent. So impressions are eyeballs and clicks are the footsteps. Eyeballs don't pay bills, footstep do. If impressions are rising but clicks are flat, you need your title needs work. Like on the WordPress admin panel, you can check, or you can work on your title, and your description needs punch, your topic needs clarity, and The queries. So queries show what users typed before seeing you. This tells you exactly what content to create next. Most beginners write what they like. Professionals write what people search. That's the game. That's the bloody brilliant game. Okay. So impressions is Google is noticing you, and clicks clicks people trusting you, queries market talking to you. If you listen properly, Google literally teaches you what to publish next. Mad? Right. Now open pages. In pages indexing, you will see crawled, currently not indexed, 404 errors, 404 errors, no index pages. Crawled but not indexed means Google came to your shop, look around and left. Why? Because of thin content, duplicate content, or weak internal linking, or low value. How to fix this? Improve your article, add internal links, update the sitemap, and have patience, because SEO is marathon, not 100-meter sprint. So here's my simple process. Pick one topic, write 1200 to 1500 words, add 2 3 internal links, add one external authority link, optimize the title, meta title, and description, submit the URL, wait for 7 to 14 days, and repeat this. No rocket science, because consistency beats genius. Let's talk AdSense. Most people cry AdSense is not approving, it's not being approved. But they don't ask why. Google checks enough content, about page, contact page, policy page, organic traffic. AdSense is not lottery. It's just trust, traffic, and content. Build foundation first, money later. I use ChatGPT daily for outlines, SEO ideas, video structure, frequently asked questions like FAQs. But listen, AI is assistant, not replacement. Blind copy, Google smells it. Edit it, personalize it, then Google gives you rewards. AI gives speed and human gives soul. So together it become powerhouse. So website is digital land and YouTube is the rented land. Algorithm changes, reach gone, but website stays. That's why we combine the website, blog, and the YouTube triple engine. By the way, explore other playlists too: digital marketing and AI tutorials, science frontiers, history and culture. Learning never hurts, ignorance does. So, your digital office is your browser, the WordPress, the Search Console, the ChatGPT, and the YouTube Studio. No fancy setup, laptop plus internet and the discipline. That's it. Some people publish one blog and wait like, okay, Google, where's my money? Mate, online business is pressure cooker. Slow heat, then whistle. Just have patience, results will come. So today we learn why thin content kills growth, how Search Console guides you, why indexing fails, how AdSense really works, how to use AI smartly, and in the next video, we will cover Google Analytics, visitor behavior, which pages convert, why 100 right visitors beat 10,000 random ones. Subscribe to our channel. Don't miss it. I'm Anis from A Square Solutions. Keep learning, keep building. Knowledge is power. Thank you.